Are you looking to go wireless and have a monitor and transfer with a transmitter to receiver, 5.8 gigahertz? I'm going to show you what this product is about, how to hook up. This is YVQ. It's a portable HDMI receiver and transmitter. It fits in your pocket, anywhere you need to take it. Comes with a nice information, how to use the product, and what it's all about. It's small, compact in size, portable projector. You need a laptop and you need a TV screen. And we're going to show you how to simply hook it up with the provided cables, adapters, and so forth. Receiver with the button, transmitter with the button, with the extended adapter for your TV set. Simply plug in and match up. On the side is a USB adapter, USB-C compliance for power that plugs into the port of the USB-A of your TV set. Plug in your cable to one of the ports, plug in the other end to the USB-A, and completed. When turning on the TV and the power in the correct ports, power will be available. We have adapters, the transmitter, plugging into the port, and USB-A to C for power, located on the side. A blue LED light comes on, the screen acknowledges, ready for transmission. With the 164-foot maximum range, we are set up, able to use the unit. We are with low latency that we could show the editing skills, remote control. And this is how the HDMI works to show you the speed of the unit, how it edits. So if you're looking for an HDMI transmitter receiver that you could simply walk anywhere and present your information from different rooms up to 164-foot maximum range. Meetings, shows, entertainment, and more wirelessly. With a small laptop with a big monitor to do your work. Removing the power gives you information on how to troubleshoot. The portable, lightweight, easy to use and take with you. Your HDMI portable machine. YVQ allows you to transmit your information to the receiver via large computer screens and more, being portable and on the go. For taking small laptops and machinery that you need to transfer information to a larger monitor, this product may be something that you are looking for. With low latency, a maximum range of 164 feet to the computer, to the screen. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in the product. And thank you for viewing.